Welcome to the Error Resolution on the Web Export Enhancement tutorial. Today, we will learn how to export the list of clearinghouse errors and warnings from the Error Resolution on the website generated from your current enrollment file submission. From the Student Reporting tab on the Clearinghouse Secure site, select the Error Correction link. Select the receive date to view the Error Resolution report. Here you will see your error report along with the errors and warnings that were generated from your current enrollment file submission. With this recent enhancement, you will now be able to download a spreadsheet of errors and warnings from your current file submission. This downloaded list can now be saved for audit purposes and can also be leveraged to update your institution's student information system as needed. Select the Download Error Resolution Report button. Please note, the errors and warnings that you see listed at the time of selecting the Download Error Resolution Report button will be the errors and warnings that are downloaded on the spreadsheet. So, as you work through the errors and warnings that are actually listed on the downloaded report may change. Once you have downloaded the errors and warnings that you wish to retain from your error resolution report, you will be presented with a spreadsheet with 4 different tabs. This first tab, Instructions, provides you an outline of the report, as well as what type of information each tab contains. We highly encourage you to read the instructions under the Instructions tab in its entirety. The next tab, Submission Info, provides you general submission information of your current enrollment file submission, a link to our programming and testing guide for your convenience, as well as a timestamp of when this errors and warnings spreadsheet was downloaded and by which user. You are also provided with a breakdown of the errors and warnings that were exported at the time of download. This next tab, Errors Resolution Report, provides you the records that have been flagged with an error, along with which error code they were flagged with during the time of download. Please note, only one error will display at a time for a record, with the exception of error codes 29 and 1568. Also, this spreadsheet should not be used to correct data present on your error report to be submitted back to the clearinghouse, as errors and warnings must still be corrected on the error resolution site. The final tab, Warning Resolution Report, provides you the records that have been flagged with a warning. Students with more than one warning will be listed multiple times on your downloaded report. Next to the warning codes, you may see fields highlighted in yellow. A highlighted field indicates that this field is editable on your error resolution report for the associated warning, though this may not necessarily mean that an adjustment needs to be made. If on your exported list you see the number sign populated under a field, this simply means that your column width may need to be expanded. Once you have concluded downloading the errors and warnings you wish to retain from your error resolution report and have completed resolving the errors and warnings, you may select the I am done button to return your file for processing. Once the I am done button is selected, you will no longer be able to select the download button. If you wish to continue to download the warnings present to submit your corrections, please select the Submit for Validation button. For questions or for additional assistance with the Error Resolution Export Enhancement, please contact service@studentclearinghouse.org and include Error Resolution Export Enhancement in the subject line.